Good morning, everyone. This is Chef Ray, and he's cutting up the chicken for us to make butter chicken. So this is just phase one.
Basmati rice, we're gonna add ground cardamom, cloves, turmeric, and cinnamon sticks to flavor our basmati rice. We have ginger and garlic paste for both our curry cauliflower, and our butter chicken.
Now Chef Ray is cutting his onions, and he has ginger over there.
Oh, yeah.
So we'll be back for the next one.
And go. So now we have marinated this in yogurt, paprika, cumin, madras curry, and lemon juice, and ginger powder.
We ranked 35th overall.
Huh?
How long?
Oh,
Good place, right?
20 minutes or to an hour.
All right.
All right, we added some cream to it, and then we adjusted the seasoning with some more paprika and cumin.
Okay. Now she's taking it all and put it in the pan. Look at it, looks delicious. Woo!